Hola, mis amigas. Hello and happy 2025. I just cannot believe, this is a new year. It's crazy to see that the time goes by so fast and it's just unbelievable. But with that being said, mis amigas, I am just so happy to pick up the camera and talk to you guys again because it's been months. Last time that I checked, it was probably like 3, 4 months ago that I actually filmed and picked up this camera. So I am just so happy to be here, mis amigas. You guys have no idea. Like, many of you guys have been asking me, like, when am I gonna come back? When am I gonna do like cleaning videos for you guys and stuff like that? And you guys, I am finally here and it's unbelievable. I just cannot believe it. I'm actually really happy to be here and to pick up the camera because if you guys have been here for such a long time, you guys know that I enjoy this, and this was kind of one of my favorite things that I love to do, mis amigas. So with that being said, like, 2025 is going to be a really great year because there's so many great things that I'm going to be doing here with my family, and I just cannot wait. I'm almost done with something. I just cannot wait to give you guys a little sneak peek about it, but that's going to be later on. So there's like so many things in my mind that I want to, catch you guys up with, but it's just crazy. But with that being said, if you guys are new here or have been waiting for my videos, sorry, mis amigas. These mil disculpas, mis amigas, because it's been for ever, and I'm just, like I said, like, I don't even know where to start. I'm just super excited. There's a hot mess behind me, but I was like, you know what, today has to be the day that I pick up this camera and say hi to you guys, because ya basta, mis amigas, ya basta. So today is Monday. It is super sunny outside, or at least where I'm from for right now, and then later on it gets cold. But with that, I'm just super excited, mis amigas. You guys have no idea, but I have a lot of things that I have to do today. So I'm gonna walk over there to my kitchen, and oh my gosh, and I'm out of breath. That's how excited I am to talk to you guys. But I'm just super excited, mis amigas. It's been forever. So, déjales enseño. So I have a lot of things that I have to do. Put groceries away, throw things out that are like expired and stuff like that. So if you guys know, this is my kitchen. Y las que no saben, welcome to my kitchen. This is like my main place that I'm always at, because like I cook and like I make everything here and stuff like that. There's my little dog right there. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start like taking this stuff out of there. So stick around, mis amigas, because I have a lot of things to do today. So I don't know, it'll be like a lot of stuff here and there. So hopefully you guys enjoy it as much as I am enjoying being here holding the camera for you guys, because it's just been forever. So stick around, mis amigas, and then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more, because we're going to have so much fun here. So so with that being said, mis amigas, let me turn you guys around, put you guys down somewhere, because it's time to rock and roll. Hi, mis amigas. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that we are here and I am here filming for you guys once again. But you guys are going to be seeing me that I'm going to be carrying, well, not carrying, moving around my phone in various areas in my house. And if you guys see that, my tripod there, it's just because that I am filming some TikToks for you guys. And if you guys don't know, I do have a TikTok page, and I will be putting it down on my bio section if you guys are interested in checking that out too. Yeah, with that being said, like, that's the only new thing that I've been working on, and it's been so much fun. And I just cannot wait to continue this journey in 2025. But yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys are having a very awesome year because it's going to be a good year, mis amigas. Let's claim it and let's do this. Okay, so as I am editing this video for you guys, I am just so happy that I am able to go back to this and continue what I like to do, because if you guys have been following me for such a long time, you guys know that I enjoy these things and I enjoy cleaning. It's just like very calming to me and I just enjoy it so much. So if you guys love cleaning, organizing, decluttering videos, you guys are in the right page. But just remember, mis amigas, to like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And again, mis amigas, if you guys are not following my other social medias, I will be posting them down in my bio section so we can stay connected and talk to one another.